Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we would like to share a bit information based on Islamic finance in Qatar to fulfill the task given by our lecturer Dr. SHAHRUL IFWAT. Okay, Islamic finance in Qatar cannot be separated anymore because of the population of Qatar are mostly Muslim. Islamic banks in Qatar also are ranked among the largest Islamic banks in the world. Other than that, the state of Qatar is also regarded as the fifth largest market in Islamic finance, with Islamic banking assets amounting to USD 96 billion and growth rate of more than 10%. Islamic finance growing.
The first Islamic financial institution in Qatar is Qatar Islamic Banking. Qatar Islamic Banking was established in 1982 with starting capital of 25 million Qatari riyal. Its product and operation was supervised by Sharia Board. It is country's largest Sharia compliant lender.
In this part, I will talk about regulation governing Islamic banking and finance. A definite role must be played in defining the priorities of the Qatar Central Bank and its lies with other institutions in Qatar by the regulation on Qatar Central Bank and Islamic finance. This is the goal for development and promotion of the domestic economy in Qatar overall economic policy, as it aligns with the highest international standard and practice in all service, companies, markets and Islamic finance activities within across Qatar, keeping monetary value and ensuring monetary stability. In addition, establishing a stable, open, competitive and management sector of service, business, market and financial transaction based on the market regulations and guarantee consistent growth in service. The Qatar Finance Center Regulation Authority operates according to its goal to set up, develop and promote Qatar Central Bank as a leading Islamic finance, business, international extraction center, financial service, insurance companies, corporate headquarters and other business. Thank you.
In this part, I will talk about the Sharia governance framework in Qatar and issues in the Sharia governance framework. Qatar has two regulatory systems of Sharia framework that give the rule and guidelines toward financial institutions. Islamic banking will follow the guidelines from Qatar Central Bank (QCB), while the other players, industries like tax consultancy, audit, financing or management office will be under Qatar Financial Center Regulatory Authority. Even Qatar has two regulatory systems of Sharia framework, it also has several issues in Sharia governance framework. The issues are Sharia board members are prohibited from obtaining credit for commercial purpose but not for personal reason. It has been questioned why this limitation has not been extended to personal use. Besides, it is about qualified Sharia members that do not meet expectations like the fiqh skill. This issue is about the minimum of the Sharia member board, which is 2 people only. There must be third person to be chosen so the problem will be solved and to develop better management. Then the lack of a precise description for the qualification of Sharia auditors and supervisors, as well as the lack of a minimum numbers of Sharia auditors in Islamic financial institutions are among the issues posed. For the qualification of Sharia auditors and supervisors, it should follow the qualification supervisory Sharia board rules. That's all from me. Thank you.
For my part is Islamic banking in Qatar. Basically, Qatar is a country that's starting to develop the Islamic finance industry and it has grown rapidly. The country also expected to be the leading hub for any Islamic finance industry like Islamic banking sector. Okay. From my research, there are 4 Islamic banks in Qatar. They are Qatar Islamic Bank, Qatar International Islamic Bank, Mas'af Al-Rayyan and Barwa Bank. And then the total asset for Islamic banking in Qatar is in the top countries, which is about 120 US billion in 2019. Qatar also has become one of the highest shares of Islamic banking assets to GDP in 2019, which is 31%. After that, I will also share about the takaful in Qatar. Okay, now we share about the takaful in Qatar. Okay, takaful insurance companies in Qatar can be classified into three independent insurance companies, which is Qatar Islamic Insurance Company, Al Khalij Takaful Group, and Daman Islamic Insurance. Takaful companies operating under the supervision of the Qatar Central Bank for the year 2017 amounted to 1.14 million Qatar compared to 179 million Qatar in 2016, which is a growth of 0.9%. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Now, I will explain about Islamic asset management and sukuk market in Qatar. So, let's begin with Islamic asset management in Qatar first. To be know that Qatar Asset Management is the fastest growing market under the management of Qatar Financial Center. However, the launch of exchange-traded funds has changed the asset management environment in Qatar in the last 2 years. Furthermore, ETF have been proven to be effective in attracting foreign and sophisticated Qatari investor that leads to asset manager of ETF structure that are more secure in connecting with institutional investor, allowing them to tap into the retail market. As a part of Qatar's economic diversification strategy, they are focusing more on banking, fintech, logistics, and manufacturing and public-private partnerships, because they are offer a lot of unique opportunities and great deals to the investment community. Therefore, QFC has announced their next goal, which is the next addition to the Qatari fund market, is the Real Investment Trust REITs. Moreover, now we move to sukuk market in Qatar, whereby has been recognized as an influential leading player in the global sukuk arena since its stellar year in the year of 2011. Due to outstanding track record in the sukuk market, which is known as Islamic bonds, Qatar has been honored and rewarded as a key player in the global Sharia-compliant arena that leads to Qatar's sukuk to grow and accelerate higher in future. Besides that, Qatar Central Bank have made some changes in the approach towards the sukuk issuance, whereby shifting out the policy from the single issuance towards to a regular program of quarterly QRIBN offerings when sukuk issuance seems to be growing effectively. The main reason for sukuk issuance in Qatar become optimism is because they have been required for hosting FIFA World Cup in the year of 2022, whereby many projects have been implemented with the cost about $278 billion pipeline that makes sukuk is the best to overcome this. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, Islamic finance in Qatar is excellent and has a strong base to expand its role to be the hood of Islamic finance in the world. Even Sharia governance framework in Islamic finance has governance issues like lack of skill of expertise among Sharia scholars and debate on minimum of Sharia birth number. But it does not stop Islamic finance in Qatar to be leader. Next, Qatar also has strategic plan like strategic plan for financial sector regulation and public-private partnership to create more opportunities to Islamic finance in Qatar to be grow. Besides the performance of each industry in Qatar like Islamic banking, takaful, Islamic credit management and sukuk market also show excellent result. Islamic finance in Qatar management and policy should be inspiration for us to ensure that Islamic finance will top choice by the customer, especially for non-Muslim. We believe that Qatar will be the country to lead the way in Islamic finance in the future. That's all from us. Thank you.